ability with enthusiasm unreserved. He has consistently demonstrated exceptional leadership, integrity, and dedication throughout his time at our school. As head boy, he will be the epitome of our school's values, guiding and inspiring their peers while representing us with distinction. With a strong commitment to fostering a supportive and inclusive environment, he is well prepared to take on this pivotal role and make a lasting impact. I would request our dignitaries to pin the badge of head boy and give a sash and the certificate to Anirudh. Give him a huge round of applause to our newly elected head boy.
Please join me in welcoming. Please join me in welcoming Om Shri, our newly elected head girl, as she embarks in this pivotal role with grace and enthusiasm. With a blend of leadership and dedication, a passion, she has not only excelled academically but also shown unwavering commitment to our school's values and vision. I will request the dignitaries on stage to pin the badge of head girl and give her the sash and certificate to Om Shri. Let us give her a huge round of applause. Please join me in welcoming Ahil as the deputy head boy as he steps on to this important role with enthusiasm and responsibility. He has demonstrated remarkable leadership, integrity and dedication throughout his time at our school. His commitment to excellence and his ability to inspire his peers make him a valuable asset to our student leadership team. As student head boy, he will play a crucial role in supporting our school's vision and fostering a spirit of collaboration. Let us welcome Ahil as a deputy head boy and give the sash and certificate to Ahil. Everyone please hype him up by giving a huge round of applause. Let us congratulate him by giving a big round of applause. Please join me in welcoming Mahita as a deputy head girl. She takes on this important responsibility with enthusiasm and grace. She has exemplified outstanding leadership and dedication throughout her time at our school. Her commitment to our values, combined with her ability to inspire and support her peers, make her a natural fit for this role. As deputy head girl, she will be instrumental in upholding our school's vision and fostering a positive and inclusive environment. I would like to request our dignitaries to pin the badge of cultural head and deputy head girl and give the sash and certificate to Mahita. Let us congratulate her with a big round of applause.
Please join me in welcoming Samir as the cultural head as he embarks on this exciting journey to enhance our cultural landscape. He brings a vibrant energy and a deep passion for the arts and traditions that enrich our school community. With a keen eye for creativity and a commitment to celebrating diverse cultures, he will play a crucial role in organizing and leading our cultural events and activities. His dedication and vision promise to foster a deeper appreciation for the rich tapestry of traditions that define us. I would like to request our dignitaries to pin the badge and give the sash and certificate to Samir. Let's congratulate him with a big round of applause.
Join me in welcoming Ram Charan as the Deputy Cultural Head. He has shown exceptional enthusiasm and creativity in promoting and celebrating the school's diversity and cultural experiences within our school. With a strong commitment to support and enhance our cultural programs, he will play a crucial role in assisting the cultural head and ensuring that our events are both colorful and vibrant. I would like to request our luminaries on stage to pin the badge of Deputy Cultural Head, give the certificate and sash to Ram Charan. Give him a big round of applause and wish him the very best on his new journey of leadership.
Join me in welcoming Gunashekar as he takes on this athletic role of sports head with determination and enthusiasm. He embodies the spirit of athleticism and teamwork that drives our sports programs forward. With a deep passion for sports and proven track record of leadership, he is dedicated to foster a dynamic and inclusive environment where every student can thrive. As sports head, he will lead our teams with energy and commitment. Let us welcome our sports head, and I request our dignitaries to pin the badge and give the certificate and sash to Gunashekar. Let us congratulate him with a huge round of ovation. Join me in welcoming Jayveer as a Deputy Sports Head as he takes on this important role with enthusiasm and dedication. He has demonstrated a strong commitment to athletics and a remarkable ability to sports and motivate his peers. As Deputy Sports Head, he will play a crucial role in assisting the sports head and ensuring the smooth organization of our sporting events and activities. With his passion for sports and his dedication to fostering team spirit, he is well equipped to help drive our sports programs to new heights. I will request our dignitaries to pin the badge and give the certificate and sash to the Deputy Sports Head Jayveer. Let's congratulate him with a huge round of applause.
Join me in welcoming Ayushwant as the discipline head as they step into this important role with a focus and resolve. With a strong sense of integrity and a deep commitment to maintaining the highest standards of behavior, is well suited to uphold and reinforce of our school's values. As discipline head, he will play a key role in fostering a respectful and orderly environment, ensuring that our community thrives on mutual respect and responsibility. His leadership and dedication promise to make a significant impact on our school's culture. I request our dignitaries to pin the badge and give the certificate and sash to Discipline Head Ayushman. Let us congratulate him with a huge round of applause.
Welcoming Sana as our Deputy Discipline Head. She brings a strong sense of responsibility and a keen understanding of the importance of maintaining respectful and orderly school environment. In this role, she will be helping Discipline Head in upholding our school standards and fostering the culture of respect and integrity. Her dedication to ensure positive and disciplined atmosphere will help our school community thrive. I request the dignitaries to pin the badge of Deputy Discipline Head to Sana and give the certificate and sash to her. Let us congratulate her with a huge round of applause.